Disposable masks have leakage problems. N95 masks are hard to fit, uncomfortable to wear, and sometimes difficult to breathe in. Introducing the Neuro 3D mask, a fully 3D printed mask which is tailored to your fit so that you can be fully protected in style. The process is simple. Follow our online smart guide, and we will take your measurement and generate a bespoke design that fits you. The model will be printed through our trusted partner, Shapeways, in New York City and delivered to your door. Our process creates the perfect fit so that the mask can rest comfortably and minimize any potential for leakage. We use replaceable N95 filters to stop 99% of micropollutant particles so that you can breathe and enjoy fresh filtered air. Our masks are designed in a way to allow complete freedom to talk and express yourself without feeling muffled or constrained. It is your mask and your style, so you can label it with a customized message and even print it in your favorite color. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air. With our mask, we hope that we can help with this by delivering a comfortable and bespoke experience for everyone. Partner with us today to help make this a reality.
Created an award-winning mask, which doesn't compromise on style or functionality. With machine washable skins, changeable botanical filters, magic fit ear loops, memory nose foam, form-fitting design, and two of the world's thinnest valves made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel. We've taken care to craft a mask which exceeds in every detail. So now, when we are planning a trip together to Los Angeles, we have a mask which is breathable, comfortable, and stylish. We've made a mask that you can wear every day, when commuting to work, riding a bike, or going for a run. Wear it with glasses or with makeup. It's a mask which stops you from spreading a nasty cough or catching someone else's. Our filters are made of electrostatic cotton, melt-blown microfiber, and active carbon, blocking over 97% of particulate matter, 2.5 microns and even smaller. Exceeding Australian respiratory protection standards, our filters last up to 4 weeks. But we didn't just want to make another mask. We wanted to create an experience.
Atmo Blue, clean air for all. This was how Atmo Blue was born. Atmo Blue is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. Atmo Blue features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, Atmo Blue delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using Atmo Blue's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, Atmo Blue features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created Atmo Blue so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, type and tested Atmo Blue. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With you even more exciting, all Atmo Blue masks come standard with built-in smart features. Once we break our stretch goal, the Atmo Blue app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring Atmo Blue to you and look forward to your support.